Hello, everyone. SharePoint Fest Chicago 2019 is just around the corner.
It's true. From December 3rd to 7th, there will be a lot of great sessions about all the new announcements that were announced at the latest Microsoft Ignite. And we'll have the privilege to host a half-day workshop on the greatest and latest of the publishing aspects of SharePoint. Let us quickly introduce ourselves. My name is Sébastien. I am a product owner and evangelist working at an amazing company called SharePoint Intranet.
And my name is Vlad Catrinescu, a product evangelist, also working with Seb at Valo. So what will we cover during this workshop? In this workshop, we'll look at topics such as how to express yourselves with communication sites and modern team sites. How can you roll up content from different communication sites into different hub sites? And how you can templatize your functions with the help of site scripts and site designs.
We'll also go on the more process side of things, where we'll automate some of your business processes and publishing workflows using Microsoft Flow, collect some information from your users using Microsoft Forms and PowerApps. And with all of that, you will learn how you can build the ultimate modern SharePoint intranet in only 3 hours.
We hope you'll join us on the morning of December 4th, where your SharePoint skills will reach an entire new level. See you there.
Ciao, guys.